Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy specific cells from Excel and paste it all together. So for that, here you can see I have an Excel sheet opened right now, and here all you have to do is click on a specific cell and click the whole row, and right click on your mouse and click on copy. It is already copied, and then go to another location, select that, click copy, go to another location, select all, and click on copy, and head over to the cell you want to paste all these in. And here you can see in the clipboard section there is a mark. Click on that, and you can see Opt 16 is currently copied, and we have to copy the other ones. Another one is copied, and April we want to copy May 5. It's copied. So all these three items are copied, and we want to paste this on a different cell. Head over to the location and click on paste all. As you can see, August, June, and May's record is pasted in all together in a different cell and in a different location. It was pretty easy. If you follow the steps, you can make it too. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.